the late 1980s and early 1990s, Welker was heavily involved in the sampling procedures and equipment for many of the North Sea offshore production platforms. High-pressure systems in the area of 3,000 and 4,000 psi were becoming common, especially in the Norwegian sector. We had a very strong presence in the market and were able to supply 5,000 psi working pressure, constant pressure sample cylinders to the market. At that time, Welker was the single source for approved constant pressure cylinders designed for custody transfer sampling in that region. The primary market for such cylinders was the natural gas sampling sector of the industry. Crude oil and condensate was being handled more as a stabilized product. It was not long before the industry began to realize that the North Sea crude was a high vapor pressure crude and needed to be handled in such a manner as to preserve the light ends that were being lost in the typical atmospheric style sample containers. These light ends had monetary value and were being missed by standard crude oil sampling methods. With a strong presence in the market and the constant pressure sample cylinder technology, Welker, along with its representatives and customers in the North Sea, began to develop a high-pressure 900 ANSI rated cylinder for crude oil. The circulation system had to be built into the cylinder designed to avoid places where water could settle and go undetected. The aliquot sample needed to be withdrawn from the cylinder while being mixed under full pressure. The challenge was to create a cylinder that was finalized by our engineering department under the guidance of Brian Welker and led to another of the Welker patented products. The Welker CPCCP constant pressure crude container with pump is a 3/16 stainless steel cylinder with a typical 5-gallon capacity and provides unparalleled sample integrity for high vapor pressure crude oil systems. Similar in concept to the Welker LS14 series for light liquid hydrocarbon sampling, the CPCCP is designed for the heavier and somewhat dirtier crude oil market. For additional information and a discussion of your needs, contact our Welker sales team at welker.com. Pioneers in innovation and quality products, Welker Solutions are unmatched. The Welker CPCCP is one of the many products in our Welker original and patented portfolio. Don't depend on the derivative, trust the original. Imitations have limitations. Welker leads.